Hello guys, please join me and today you will see how to crochet amazing cord made of seed beads. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. The seed beads are large, transparent and not outright. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. So today you will see how to crochet amazing cord using the seed beads and Tunisian crochet. Let's crochet the cord. Make a chain of 7. I will begin from the foundation chain. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My foundation chain is ready. Then chain of 2. For transition part, yarn over the hook. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch away from the hook. Pull up a loop. Pull through 2 loops. Pull through first loop on the hook. Then yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through the last loop. Yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook into the chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through last loop. Like this. Yarn over the hook with seed bead and make the last one. Pull through 2 loops, pull through the last loop. And let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have done 7 stitches. I continue working. Yarn over the hook, pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. My first row is ready. Here how it looks. It looks like Tunisian crochet. Let's crochet row 2, chain of 2, yarn over the hook with seed bead. I insert the hook into the loop and into the cable, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, and pull through the last loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the loop and into the cable, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through the last loop. Insert the hook into the loop into the cable, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through first loop. Continue, yarn over the hook, insert the hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through last loop. Draw seed beads, yarn over the hook with bead, insert the hook into the cable and into the loop, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through first loop, . yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the last one, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through first loop, then yarn over, pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The second row is ready. So I will crochet the next rows in the same way as I did the second one. Let's repeat my row. Make chain of 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the loop and cable, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through loop 1, continue 2, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through the loop. This is the third one. Four, five, 6, and 7. Insert the hook into 2 threads, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through. This is the 7th one. Pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the front side. Let's look at the back one. Let's make one more row. Make chain of 2, yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, and pull through first loop, continue 2, insert the hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, and make a chain. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, continue, then yarn over, pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here what I have at this point. So you should make as many times as you need for your project. I have done my cord with seed beads. Now I show you how to complete it. You can cut off the yarn after the last stitch This is one edge and this is the second edge. Also, you can leave a long piece of yarn to sew stuff for the jewelry, or you can continue crocheting. I am making one more row. It is going to be a row of single crochet. Make a chain, insert the hook into 2 thread, make single crochet, then single crochet 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Here what I have. You can cut off the yarn, and also you can remove the yarn along the stitches, or you can leave it to create jewelry. Let's look at my project. Also, you can crochet 1, 2, or 3 rows with single crochet. So that's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks when you are done. It is made of beads. It could be perfect to create jewelry or belt or another accessories. Pattern consists of 1 row, and also I am using the Tunisian crochet. It is very fast and easy to make. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. In this video I used a ball of yarn, crochet hook, and seed beads. You can choose any kind of yarn, any crochet hook, and your favorite seed beads. For example, I have done exact cord, but using less amount of stitches. Here how it looks. You can use it like a decoration or jewelry or another accessories for big project. Here how it looks on my hand. Good luck on crocheting. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my pattern. See you next time and bye.